Welcome to another new episode. Today I will describe you interesting topic. This is how you can earn money from internet by your own work. You can do it by several type of work as like graphics design, WordPress theme, template, HTML, photography, video, etc. Today I will introduce a website. You look our screen. It is a online marketplace where you can sell your digital product. Here they are showing create and sell your digital download online. Digital product means any kind of image, audio, video, graphics, motion graphics, VFX, etc. At first, you enter this website. This website address is www.wordpressers.co.uk. Here, all the latest product is available. You can also buy product from here. If you want to sell the product, you just upload your product in this website. This website is help you to sell your item. You can sell here your graphics design, motion graphics, VFX, WordPress theme, template, HTML, any kind of digital product. And also you can download others product or buy product here, and also lot of free product available here. It is a UK based website. Here you can see all type of category. Here you can select your category: theme, template, plugin, video, photography, motion graphics, and so on. Select your desired product and you can see the lot of product here. Here are a lot of category also available. So today just I am giving you just a overview. You can charge the website and just listing your product if you want to sell. It is a UK based website. It can access all over the world, so it is better opportunity for you. Just select your category and add your product. Here just showing their category. Here's a plugin, theme, template, and it is the latest product. If you want to publish the product, you can also publish. It is day by day getting most popular website all over the world. WordPress is the best CMS, and for WordPress it is the best website. So guys, just go this website and start earning money or dollar. So today, no more today, just visit your website. So guys, if you have any question, leave us and like our video, share with your friends, and please leave your comments in the comment section. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope this is very helpful for you.